Diving into reindeer token, see if a lot of people have this coin. It is trending on Google, not Google Trends. What's the website called? Coin Market Cap. It's trending. So you guys can see that for the most part, we got rejected at the 618. You can see if you pull it down just a hair, you got over it. But generally speaking, this is the 618 area. So we're just going to make a big box at about 250. We are also going to mark the 786 at 420. And we'll get rid of this. So what we can do now is also draw our shapes. You can say that this is a falling, or excuse me, a rising wedge, ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. We'll take a fib from this low to the high, and you can see the very first fib is acting as support. That is extremely bullish, and we'll mark the 382 down here at about $1.37. So this means that at any time, if we do end up falling out of this rising wedge, reindeer needs to stay over $1.30. Okay. If it stays over $1.37, it is still bullish. If you lose $1.37, it's actually very bearish. And obviously, if we draw one last fib on the inside, you can see that the 0.5 acted as support at 182. So ideally, it would stay over 182, come back and backtest the 382 at 204, and then push up one last time. But again, this is a rising wedge, so if it ends up falling 160 and 137, which is why I just said 137, at any time, 137 needs to hold or it is going to be extremely bearish. Okay, so in the event that this wedge does hold, the next resistance is up here at $3. Getting over $3 should send you all the way up to 420. Okay, so just keep an eye on 203 and ultimately 160 in the short term, and in the big picture, at any time, 134 needs to hold. That is pretty much it. As always, none of this is financial advice.